Hey, my lovely people. My friend was traveling to Alaska recently, and she was telling me all about that Alaskan salmon. I got inspired to make this video about my absolutely delicious scallop stuffed salmon steaks. Let me show you how I made it. You need to remove the bone right here in the middle. Try to leave the meat as much as possible. Support it with a toothpick. Roughly chop the garlic and set it aside. Pat dry your scallops really well and chop it up roughly. Melt butter and make it almost brown. Add garlic, scallops, and leave it untouched for 3 to 4 minutes to get a really nice caramelization. Add Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper, and panko breadcrumbs. Add good squeeze of lemon juice. I'm using large ones, so I'm using half, but if you have smaller ones, just use it all. Add cream cheese and mix it well. Place a few Ritz crackers in a plastic Ziploc bag and bang it really well with rolling pin to get nice crumbs. Season salmon with salt and pepper from both sides. Stuff with generous amount of stuffing. Sprinkle with Ritz cracker crumbs. A little bit more of Old Bay seasoning on the top, and bake it in preheated to 420 Fahrenheit degrees oven for 25 minutes. There you go. Enjoy! I love to serve it with baby broccolinis.